Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Best Stormtrooper, coming back at you with another YouTube video. And this one, I'm gonna teach you how to make a Chug Jug in real life, okay? But because I don't have some of the ingredients, I'll just show you with this little photo editing software I got, okay? So step one, the first thing you're gonna need is a little beaker or something, okay? Preferably made out of glass. If it's made out of metal, the Chug Jug, it might melt through it, okay? And so the other thing that you're gonna need is some of this stuff called copper chloride, and it's this blue stuff. And don't mix it with metal and water. It might melt through it, but it's edible. You're not made out of metal, so you're fine. Okay, so you're going to need this beaker, and you're going to take your copper chloride, and you're gonna use something called a scopula here, okay? And so 2 scoops with the scopula equals 40 milliliters of water, okay? So if you want like 40 something milliliters of Chug Jug, you're gonna need like 2 scoops of this, and you can just like multiply that by how much Chug Jug you want, okay? So you're gonna put in some of this copper chloride into the beaker, so that you'll just have some, copper chloride in your beaker, okay? And what you're gonna have is, after that happens, you're gonna have something that looks a little bit like this. And sorry for the low resolution picture. But yeah, after you put the copper chloride in there, don't like put any like metal or anything like that in it. Because it might melt through it. This stuff might be a little bit dangerous, people say, but it heals you, it gives you shield, so it's a good trade-off. And yeah, after that you can like jar it up, put it in like a little oh, messed that one up. Put it in a little jar, and then like maybe put metal on the outside. Just make sure the metal does not touch it, okay? Or don't really, maybe not drink it. Maybe just have it there for display, but I don't know. Just kidding, don't drink it. FBI, please don't come after me, please. Okay. That's another Best Stormtrooper video. I'm gonna be coming at you with another one. It's gonna be epic. Alright, don't forget to subscribe, to hit the bell notifications, to share, to like, to comment. Please comment. I'd like to get some feedback from the community. And the Best Stormtrooper is out.